comes another piece of siding. This is the lobby. There's offices over there. And this is our OSB team. Yes, I can. And then there are some stairs. This is the game room.
Nice one, isn't it?
It's beautiful. Look how big it is. It's going to be fantastic. We're now entering one of the larger one-bedroom units on the ground floor. As you enter on the left is a closet. And then on the right is a restroom. Pretty sizable. And then on the right here is where the stackable washer and dryer will go. And then here we're entering the one bedroom. It's also pretty sizable. Nice sized room. And over here's the closet. And then exiting the bedroom on the right is a room which will include the kitchen area and the living space. And nice, bright and sunny. And that is the one bedroom. And now we're exiting out the front door. This is the day program space. Very sizable. There's some offices here. And another office. Or functional room. And yet one more. So lots of spaces for fun activities. And then there's one more office. Right in here. It's the BigWave dining room. Big windows outside, 3 of them. And then the room is very spacious. That's the pass-through. That's the room that goes back into the kitchen. Those are the doorways that go back into the lobby. Another window. The kitchen. This is the OSB kitchen. This is the kitchen. That's the door to the OSB space. And then walking through here, this is the pass-through that we serve meals for the BigWave community. This is the space for the BigWave kitchen. And the BigWave cook line will go there. We are on the second floor of the BigWave building. View out there. Our amazing construction team is building the second story. Up it comes.
I hope so.